How to register your business on Google My Business, GMB, step-by-step guide. Whether you're a new business owner or looking to enhance your online presence, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to Google My Business. First, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once you have a Google account, go to the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button to begin. Step 2. Enter your business name. Type in your business name. Make sure it's the exact name that you use for your business. If your business appears in the drop-down list, select it. If not, click Add Your Business to Google. Step 3. Choose your business category. Select the category that best fits your business. This helps Google understand what type of business you run, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Be as specific as possible when choosing your category. Step 4. Add your location. If you have a physical location that customers can visit, choose Yes when asked if you want to add a location. Enter your business address accurately. If you operate a service area business, like a plumber or delivery service, you can specify your service area instead. Step 5. Fill in contact details. Enter your business phone number and website URL. These details will appear on your GMB listing, so make sure they are correct. If you don't have a website, Google My Business allows you to create a simple website for free. Step 6. Verify your business. Verification is a crucial step. Google will send you a postcard with a verification code to your business address. Alternatively, you may be eligible for phone or email verification. Follow the instructions to verify your business. Step 7. Optimize your profile. Once verified, you can optimize your GMB profile. Add a business description, hours of operation, photos, and any other relevant information. A complete profile improves your visibility and attracts more customers. Step 8. Manage and respond to reviews. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly. Positive reviews enhance your reputation, while addressing negative reviews shows that you care about customer satisfaction. Step 9. Use insights to track performance. Google My Business provides insights into how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve your online presence. Conclusion. Registering your business on Google My Business is a powerful way to increase your visibility and attract more customers. Follow these steps, keep your information up to date, and you'll be well on your way to leveraging GMB for your business success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.